Morning everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So as you all know that nowadays COVID-19 is prevailing and we are staying at our homes. So for this you just need to take all the precautions in your mind that your parents, your teachers are telling you that just stay home, just stay safe, wash your hands at regular intervals, don't go for playing outside, and just be with your parents, be with your grandparents, help them, serve them food, serve them water, help them in other tasks, just play with them, sit with them, have discussions with them, and don't eat oily food. Just have whatever your mother is cooking, and because it is the most tasty and healthy food that you anybody can ever have. So just be patient and stay at your homes, be safe. So because I'm just talking about this COVID-19, so here you can see that I have a pie chart where I have just written all the states which are here arranged in descending order according to the number of cases prevailing in our country. Now you can see that Maharashtra is the having bigger portion here because it is most affected state in our country, having 5652 cases. Then we have Delhi because this portion is like smaller than this and it is 2248. Then we have Gujarat with 2407 cases, Rajasthan with 1890 cases, MP with 1695 cases, Tamil Nadu with 1629 cases, UP 1509, and the least cases are from Telangana. So here you can see that these colors are representing these states also, and this is the concept of your pie chart. Now here you can see all these figures are not easy to read. So today what we are going to do is we are just going to revise our concept of estimation of numbers, where we will estimate, like we have the Maharashtra on first position with 5652 cases. So we will just see that how to write this number in an easiest way. Now we will just round off all these numbers to the nearest 100, the estimation that we will talk about today. Okay, this is kind of your revision because this concept we already have covered and we have solved questions also regarding this. So here you can see that we have the first case, and that is 5652, and we need to round off this number to the nearest hundreds. Now if you want to round off the number to the nearest hundreds, then what you will do, you will just underline the figure that is at the hundreds place, right? And then after you will look for the digits to the right of it. Now here you can see that it is 52 and 52 is greater than 50. So if the digits to the right of the digit at the 100 place are greater than 50, then you will just make last two digits 0 like this and add 1 to the digit that is at the hundreds place, that is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So in total we have 5700 cases. Now let us estimate all these figures according to the states. On second number you can see that you have 2242. So here you have 2242 means Delhi is with 2242, right? So now what we will do, we again have to round it off to the nearest 100. So just round off the digit that is at the hundreds place, and it is 2, and to the right of it we have 48, and 48 is now less than 50. That means we will just make these two numbers 0, means last two numbers will 0, and the remaining digits means 2 will remain as it is. So our answer will be 2200. That means 2248 is rounded off to the 2200. Then after on third number we have this that is Gujarat with 2407 cases. Again we will see the digit which is at the hundreds place and take the digits to the right of it. Now these are again less than 50, so last two digit will become 0 and we will write the numbers as it is, means it is rounded off to 2400. Like this we will just round off all these 8 states in this descending order only. So on fourth we have Rajasthan with 1890 cases. Now 1890. Again, because we are just doing estimation to the nearest 100, so we will just take the digit that is at the hundreds place, and that is 8. So now what we will do, we will just take the two digits, right, that are after this digit. So it is 90. So now what we will do, we will just see that whether these two digits are greater than 50. Yes, these are greater than 50. So if the digits are greater than 50, then we will just write down 00 at the end and we will add 1 to the digit that is at the hundreds place. So it will become 1900. That means after rounding it off we have 1900. Then after this on fifth we have MP and it is with 1695 cases. Now what we will do, we will again just underline the digit that is at the hundreds place, right. Now take two digits that are to the right of it. So it is 95 and again it is greater than 50. So we will just follow the same concept. These two digits will become 0 and we will add 1 to the number and it will become 1700, right. Then on 6th we have 1629, means Tamil Nadu is with 1629 cases. Again just look the digit that is at the hundreds place, that is right. Now again just see the digits to the right of it are less than 50. So we will just write down the numbers as it is and make the last two digits 0. In 7th we have 1509. UP is with 1509 cases. Now we can round it off. Underline the digit 100. Again 9 is smaller than 50. So its rounding off will be 1500. And at last we have Telangana with less number of cases and here we have 960. Now we can round it off 960 also by just underlying the digit and see 60 is greater than 50. So now what we will do, we will just write down zeros and we will add 1 to the number that is at the hundreds place. So it will become 1000. Now here you can see that we have arranged all these numbers in same order, descending order according to the affected like states, and then we have just rounded it off to the nearest hundreds, right. And the concept is same. If it is greater than 50, then just add 1 to the number that is at the hundreds place, add 1 to the digit that is at the hundred place. And if it is less than 50, like in these cases, so what you will do, you will just write down the number as it is and just put zeros at the end, means the digit at the ones and tens place will become 0. So I hope this concept of estimation of numbers is clear to everyone. So now I'm just sending you assignment based on the estimation. Just do it and write in a good hand and send back your assignment, and make sure that you all are taking all the proper precautions like I've told you. So just be safe, stay homes, stay indoors, and I'll send you your syllabus of weekly test also to be conducted on Monday. So you just prepare well for that also. Thank you.